In front of me is Huawei MatePad X12, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. Then click on this icon at the top left corner. Select skins over here and click on the best one for you to apply it. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always go into App Gallery, type in SwiftKey, and download this free keyboard. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit sign in or not now. Select whatever you want to in this pop-up. Click on Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard in this pop-up to apply it and select themes. Now to customize it, hit Customize at the top, select Start under Design New Theme, and then click on this icon of a camera and the plus. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders. And if you wish to change something, click on this pen icon at the top left corner and adjust your image again. Then select Save at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that, my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!